Welcome to Ksolves Odoo Shopify Connector. In this video, you will learn how to create multiple Shopify instances and link them to your Shopify stores quickly and effortlessly. Start by heading to the Shopify connector in Odoo. Click Instance, then New. Here enter your instance name and store URL. Next, paste your Shopify store URL, Shopify API key, and Shopify API password. Click Save. Click Unite Instance. You will see a confirmation Instance United. Now configure how you want your product stock to sync. Head over to Product Information and select appropriate stock field type. Let's choose Free to Use Quantity. Now head over to Order Information tab. Set your warehouse, sales team, and salesperson for incoming Shopify orders. Once done, hit Save. Then enable Instance to activate the instance. Instance enabled. You can follow the same steps to create and connect as many Shopify instances as you need, each with its own store URL, API key, and API password. Seamless multi-store management made simple with Ksolves Odoo Shopify Connector. Contact us at sales@ksolves.com or visit the Odoo App Store to start your free trial today. We will be sharing more Shopify feature videos on the same. Thank you for watching.